fintech companies are giving birth to new innovative ideas, and you have good examples. You have M-Pesa, you have MobiKwik, you have Paytm. They are the leaders, and they're providing everything in the digital world for a large variety of customers. So the value here that fintech is providing to demographies like and emerging markets like India is customer convenience. Today, the fintech game has changed, and not only has the game changed, the scale has changed, the size of the field has changed, and the rules have changed. And if you look at the way we used to bank, or the large population used to bank earlier, about 15, 20 years ago, cash was king, because primarily it was all cash-based transactions. Today, there's a new queen in the entire world of digital, and that is digital wallets. Digital wallets have taken the payment and the cash transactions to the next new height. And if you look at the replacement of cash transactions, it's going to come because there are going to be new models of virtual money. We have seen radical ideas like Bitcoin, and so people are very comfortable transacting with non-cash based mechanisms. Today, India is in the forefront because they are looking at payment platforms and payment banks, and issuing new payment licenses to all of them. And this for India is very important because it's going to drive the GDP and the cashless economy and create financial inclusion. Digital disruption and transformation in finance and fintech is very challenging, right? Because on one hand, here is a huge opportunity to innovate, and second, there is also the large population which throws up, areas like risk. And for the financial services industry, it's very unique and very different from other sectors, because this is the only industry that I see which is concurrently being challenged by multiple disruptions at the same time. And when you look at it, they have to get onto the innovation wave, ride, and create value to customers. So customers are moving to online more so. And if you start looking at the West always had a classic case of moving from one revolution to another. They adopted the web, the desktop, and moved to the mobile. In India, what has happened is that we have skipped the entire revolution of web and desktop to a large extent, and we are entrenched only in the mobile revolution. If you look at recent statistics that have been thrown up, approximately 30 to 35% of Indians will own a mobile smartphone by 2017. And with the power of smartphones, access to banking, access to financial institutions, access to payments is becoming much easier.